Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, a couple of months ago, I bottled up the milk chocolate wine. And it tasted good. Now, I know I'm only giving it a couple of months, and I said at the time, this is a wine to try and enjoy fresh. So I thought we'd pop it open. So this has been just kept, ooh, that smell good. This has been kept in the cellar, and it's coming out here about 18 degrees C today, so nice. I think it should be drank a little bit like a red wine, because you want all those lovely chocolatey tones to come through. I'm not the sort of person that likes to keep chocolate in the fridge. I like to keep chocolate in a cupboard, so when you bite into it, it just divinely melts, rather than having to bite through it. If you keep chocolate in the fridge, there's something wrong with you. Anyway, chocolate wine. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. You just get that hit of cocoa straight away. It's all in there. It's absolutely lovely. If you like chocolate, you're going to love this wine. Look at the colour on that as well. It's really dark. Oh, got a bit of cork there. Let's get rid of a bit of cork. A really gorgeous kind of dark golden brown straw colour. It's absolutely lovely. But anyway, I've got another bit of cork. Let's get rid of that. Taste. Oh, that's so good. Oh my goodness, that is smooth. That is really, really dangerously easy drinking. What did I make it to? 12%. You've got all the lovely chocolate coming through. It's got a nice little dryness to it, but it's got a real good sweetness to it because of the lactose we added. It's got creaminess. It really is. It's not dark chocolate. It's not harsh. It's smooth. It's just like when you've put a chunk of chocolate in your mouth, and instead of biting down on it, you just let it gently melt away. Now, I added some orange to it. The orange is in there as well. The orange is really, really subtle in the background, but it's adding a really nice acidity to it. And as I said, if you don't like orange, don't put the orange in it. Just swap the orange out for the citric acid. But that's gorgeous. The lactose really, really smooths it out. The chocolate is all there. The orange is really subtle in the background. That is a really, really nice milk chocolate wine. Cheers.